Multiple sclerosis, or MS, is a complex disease that affects the central nervous system. It disrupts the flow of information within the brain and between the brain and body. This can lead to a wide range of symptoms, from physical to cognitive challenges, making daily life unpredictable and often difficult for those affected. While there is no cure for MS, research shows that lifestyle factors like diet can play a significant role in managing symptoms. A well-balanced diet can help support the immune system, maintain overall health, and potentially reduce the frequency and severity of relapses. While there isn't a specific MS diet, a healthy and balanced approach to eating can make a difference. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide essential nutrients that support brain health and reduce inflammation. Think of your diet as a partner in your MS journey. Just as you would rely on medication and physical therapy, nutrition can be another tool to help manage your condition. By making smart food choices, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. This means more energy for daily activities, better management of symptoms, and an overall improvement in quality of life. This can lead to improved energy levels, reduced inflammation, and better overall well-being. Regular physical activity, combined with a nutritious diet, can further enhance these benefits, helping you stay active and engaged in life. It is important to note that diet alone cannot cure MS. However, it can significantly impact how you feel and how well you manage your symptoms. It's about creating a supportive environment for your body to thrive. However, it can be a powerful tool in your arsenal to manage symptoms and improve your quality of life. Alongside other treatments and lifestyle changes, nutrition can help you feel more in control of your health. Always consult with your healthcare provider to discuss the best dietary approach for your individual needs. They can help tailor a plan that fits your specific symptoms and lifestyle, ensuring you get the most benefit from your diet. Remember, every person's experience with MS is unique. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to find what suits you best. What works for one person may not work for another. It's a journey of discovery, finding the right balance and making adjustments as needed. It's about finding what works best for you and making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet over time. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. Fruits and vegetables should be the stars of your MS-friendly diet. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your body from damage. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables at every meal. Think berries, leafy greens, citrus fruits, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. These foods are particularly high in antioxidants, which can help fight inflammation. The fiber in fruits and vegetables is also beneficial for gut health, which is important for overall well-being. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better immune function, which is crucial for managing MS. Whole grains and lean proteins are essential for providing your body with sustained energy and supporting muscle function. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats over refined grains like white bread and pasta. Lean proteins, such as fish, chicken, beans, and lentils, are important for cell growth and repair. They also help you feel fuller for longer, which can be helpful in managing weight. When preparing your meals, opt for grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying. These cooking methods help retain the nutrients in your food and reduce the intake of unhealthy fats. Section 4. Healthy fats and anti-inflammatory benefits. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. They are essential for brain health, hormone production, and reducing inflammation. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are particularly beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation plays a key role in MS, so incorporating these foods can be beneficial. Remember, moderation is key. While healthy fats are essential, they are also calorie-dense. Be mindful of your portion sizes to maintain a healthy weight. Section 5. Sugar and cholesterol. The unwanted guests. These two elements, often found in our everyday diet, can have a significant impact on our health, especially for those living with multiple sclerosis. While a healthy diet is crucial for managing MS, certain foods can worsen symptoms and should be limited. A balanced diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help manage symptoms and improve overall well-being. Sugar, found in processed foods, sugary drinks, and desserts, can contribute to inflammation and worsen fatigue. This is particularly problematic for those with MS, as fatigue is a common and debilitating symptom. High cholesterol, often found in foods high in saturated and trans fats, can also be detrimental. These fats are commonly found in fast foods, fried items, and certain baked goods. These fats can worsen inflammation and increase the risk of heart disease, which is a concern for people with MS. Inflammation not only affects the heart, but can also exacerbate MS symptoms, making management more challenging. Reading food labels can be helpful in identifying hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Being aware of what you consume is the first step towards making healthier choices. Opt for foods that are low in saturated and trans fats and choose natural sources of sweetness, like fruits, when possible. Making these small changes can have a big impact on managing MS and improving overall health. Section 6. Eating well with MS, a step towards empowerment. This section is dedicated to exploring how proper nutrition can significantly impact the lives of those living with multiple sclerosis. Structured programs like Eating Well with MS offer valuable support and guidance on making positive dietary changes. These programs are designed to educate and empower individuals, providing them with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions about their diet. These programs provide evidence-based information, practical tips, and ongoing support to help individuals make sustainable changes. Participants learn about the latest research on nutrition and MS, and how to apply this knowledge in their daily lives. Participants in these programs often report increased energy levels, improved mood, and better management of MS symptoms. They find that the support from peers and professionals helps them stay motivated and committed to their health goals. They also gain a better understanding of how to make healthy choices and incorporate them into their daily lives. This includes learning how to plan balanced meals, read nutrition labels, and make healthier choices when eating out. These programs emphasize the importance of individualized approaches, recognizing that everyone's needs and preferences are different. Personalized consultations help tailor dietary plans to meet specific health goals and lifestyle requirements. They provide tools and resources to empower individuals to take control of their diet and their health. From tracking apps to meal planning guides, these resources are designed to make healthy living more accessible and achievable for everyone. Section 7. A heart-healthy lifestyle, your roadmap to wellness. A heart-healthy lifestyle is not only beneficial for your cardiovascular system, but also for managing MS. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. By adopting a holistic approach to your health, you're giving your body the best chance to thrive. While more research is needed to determine specific dietary recommendations for MS, a heart-healthy lifestyle is a good foundation for overall well-being. Remember, making gradual and sustainable changes to your lifestyle is key. Start with small steps, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for support when needed. Subscribe for more tips.